Amazon Prime Day 2025, top smart tech, TV and home deals you don't want to miss. Drio fan deals. Top-rated Drio fans on sale include the Nomad 1 tower fan, 42-inch ceiling fan, 12-inch air circulator fan, and 85-foot oscillating pedestal fan, all offering powerful airflow and discounts. Drio heaters and humidifiers. Drio offers compact heaters and humidifiers for year-round comfort, featuring portable and oscillating models with safety features, and a cool mist humidifier for improved sleep, all at discounted prices. Drio Smart Kitchen Tech. Drio offers smart kitchen appliances, chef maker combi, smart air fryer for steakhouse quality meals, and barista maker all-in-one milk frother for professional lattes, both at discounted prices. Amazon Fire TV Smart TVs, up to 35% off for Prime members. Amazon Fire TV Smart TVs are on sale for Prime members, with discounts up to 35% on various models, including 4K UHD and QLED options, featuring Dolby Vision IQ and Alexa. Amazon device deals, Eero, Ring, and more. Amazon offers discounts on Eero 6 plus Mesh Wi-Fi, Ring Indoor Cam, and Ring Alarm Kit. Deals include 35% off Eero, 40% off Ring Cam, and 50% off Ring Alarm Kit. Allen Smart Air purifiers up to 50% off, plus upcoming Utopia sale. Allen Smart Air purifiers offer up to 50% off until July 7th with various deals. Starting July 8th, expect deeper discounts on select models during the Utopia summer sale. Red Tiger Dash Cam deals, record in 4K. Red Tiger offers discounts on dash cams, F77 Dual 4K, F17 Elite with night vision, F7NP, Amazon's Choice, and F9 Budget 4K. Use specific codes for additional savings.
Go to GearBrain for more information.